Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and I wanted to feature the design series paper in one of my designs because we still have that promotion about the buy 3 packs of design series paper and get 1 free. And so this is still in July of 2018, and the paper that I'm using is Nature's Poem. And this is really nice. It has really cool colors, as you can see. And I think that as we are going into fall, this will be one of the go-to packs. So anyway, this one is one of those that you can get for free. And there's more, so you can see on my blog, creatingwitheli.com, more the other design series papers that are on that promotion. So anyway, so this is how I have already kind of laid it out, and let me just go over the little pieces. The suite that we're going to be using is Nature's Poem, which has the stamp set called Rooted in Nature, which is really nice. I mean, I really like all the trees, and all these two are one of my favorites. And then the fonts, I really like the fonts on this set and all the images. So today we're going to be using these two sentiments, and this pack has or this suite has also the Nature's Root framelits. Now when you buy those when you buy them together, you save 10% on both of the items because you get the bundle price, so make sure you check that out. And the dies that I've used that you have not seen on that set are this one. So I pretty much used the leaves, so I went ahead and cut them first, and then I've used this one. This is a new type of die, which really doesn't cut but emboss. So you cut it first, and I don't know if you can see it. You can see it here. And then you run it again with this one only. And we have also embossing mats. And if you have not seen them, these are on the new catalog. And it comes with one, it's kind of like the acrylics. It's a little bit, I want to say that it's a little bit thinner than the acrylic. And then it has these two. Now, do not throw away your instructions because it goes over how to do the sandwiches with your big shot. So make sure you keep it. In this case, what I've used was the platform. So I use this one. Then I put an acrylic. So let me just get an acrylic for you to see it. Give it 1 second here. I've used an acrylic. Then I've used this one. Then I put my my die cut already. So I run it first with that one. And then you go ahead and put the the blue, and then this one. And so that's how you would be running your sandwich on the big shot, like so. So again, do not, I cannot stress this enough. Do not throw away your instructions because it's a little bit different the way you're doing the sandwich, okay? And I know I'm taking a lot of time showing you these, but it's a new product, and I probably will be doing a video also as well about it, but I just want to make sure you knew. So anyway, so the other thing, so the one thing that I did is I did it already 3 times because I wanted to have on the 3 different colors. This is mint macaron, this is blackberry bliss, and then this one is the grapefruit. What is this? Grapefruit Grove. I keep changing the name. So anyway, so the cardstock is 5.5 by 8.5 like always. And I'm just gonna fold it in half. Actually, let me just do it this way. And all right, there we go. Bone folder to make sure that all is nice. Then I have a piece of blackberry bliss, and I have here this one is 5 by 3 3/4, and yes, I'm always doing, if I need to be doing, because I'm going to be doing a series of cards with this one. And so I'm always die cutting out of the areas that I'm going to be covering. That's the way I save. You can see it here. So I already pre-score or done all of those. So now that's a good tip for you to know. If you're going to be covering it, you can use that area, right? I mean, no one will know about it. And I feel like you save that way cardstock, because it's going to be covered. No one even knows. And my card is going to go like that. And so no one will even see it. So anyway, so the design series paper, it's the same design series paper. You can see it here. I'm just using one on one side. And I wanted to do it like so. But you can also do it the other way. So you just pick. And that's one of the great things from the design series paper. Sometimes it's real hard for you to pick which side to use, because both of the sides are really cool. So I think like doing it like this type of design, you benefit from both sides of the same sheet. So I really like that. Now this one is 3.5, yes, by 3, and this one is 1 3/4 by 3.5. Okay, so we're gonna be gluing this already, and I'll put my adhesive here. All right, and I'm gonna be putting it like so. Can you see it? All right, and then I'm going to be putting this one like so. All right, so let's just do the same on this one. And I think I like it like so. And here we go. You could have also, one other thing, you could have cut a piece that is 4 3/4 by 3.5, and then just cut it whatever you want this line, right? Like in this case, it was like 1 3/4. Because that way you know exactly, you always know that I usually have 1/4 inch larger on the mat. So that's another thing that you could do if you want to figure out the dimensions on this, or if you want to change it. So now this piece is going to go like so. And but before we do that, I want to do the stamping, because I think it's going to go somewhere like so and have the leaves here. And I have the sentiments here. And one says, words are never enough. Yes, that one. And I'm going to be using the Blackberry Blaze. And let's just do it like so. And I'm going to do also this one, to thank you for all you do. And this is just a strip of Whisper White that I have. It's usually just scraps from when I am cutting for my cards. And it is 1/2 inch by however long. But again, I'm just going to cut it to whatever I need. So, all right. So we're going to cut somewhere here. And I think I'm going to be doing my little banner as always. I don't know what it is, but I think that's like my favorite way to put this strips. So I think it will go like so. Yes, and then I'm going to put in my, and then this one will be here, you know. And so for this one, I'm just going to cut it here. There we go. And this one will go here. What do you think? Yeah, I think I like that. And you know me, I almost never have the design in my head. I'm sorry, the finished card. I always had the design in my head. And so I'm thinking I want to be putting it like so. And maybe put this here. And then here, that one. Yeah, I think I like that. Don't you think? Yes. And let me just go with the glue dots for this one. Yes. So we're going to be putting it like so. And then this one will be like so. And then let's put there we go. Now, if you remember, we also have the Nature's Twine. And so I might be using, I think I'm going to be using this one, the Grapefruit Grove. And it comes with 4 different colors. You see it, blackberry, mint macaron, and the Grapefruit Grove. So I'm going to highlight the grapefruit. And I'm going to be doing a little bow. Okay. Let's just do this. Alright, so let's cut and cut here. Yes. And then the other thing that I want to show you is these little trinkets, and this one is the leaves trinkets, and I've already picked one that I'm going to be using. Oh my goodness. Which is this copper leaf, but I wanted to show you how they look. So they come with 4 different which said 2 colors for different ones, right? Because you get 2 coppers and 2 silvers, and I'm gonna be using this one. So pretty cool trinkets, and this one's come with does it said so? Oh yeah, 24. So you get 8 of each. All right. Actually, it's 6. I'm doing wrong math here. Oh goodness, I'm all a mess today. So I'm gonna be gluing that one with a, and let me just see how would this one go, because I think that at this point this one will have to go here. There we go. And then I'll put the little bow with this one here. So I'm gonna be now gluing these to my card, because at this point I think we're doing all the embellishing. And so oh. All right. And we're going to be putting it like so. And again, I'm trying to do a few cards with the design series paper. Again, because we have that promotion, and it's ending in July, so definitely don't miss out on that. It's a great promotion, because this is the time to be stocking up on the design series paper. Now there's one already for Christmas, and I think that will be great to have, because in a few months we're gonna start making. Actually, I'm almost always starting next month, like August, September timeframe. So in about 2 weeks, I would assume, we're gonna start doing Christmas cards, and so that will be great to have already handy, don't you think? So anyway, we're gonna be putting this one here, and then we're gonna be putting this here. Now I don't want to make this one pop up. I know it's weird because I always pop up everything, but not this one, because I want this one to be the highlight. And then we're gonna be putting glue dots for this. And I'm going to be putting it like somewhere here. And then I already have that one with a glue dot. So I'm going to be putting it like so. And here it is. Do you like it? Definitely a great layout to use a lot of the design series paper. Super easy, as you can see. And so anyway, if you like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check all my blog at creatingwithali.com. I'll put more information about the design series paper. Also, what do I want to say? Don't forget about my ordering incentive. If you place an order using the hostess code, which is my blog at creatingwithali.com, every single post will have it. You get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and I'll send you the instructions as well as all the items that you're going to be using. The only thing that I do not supply is the stamping, but you can always use whatever you have on hand, or even better, you can order next time the stamps that I'm using. So if you order also is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. And so anyway, it's one of my it's my ordering incentive, so take advantage of it. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.